You know how some rules just seem completely random and outdated? That's what the Corinthian church thought about head coverings. They were living in a super modern, morally loose city, and some of the women were like, "We're free in Christ. We're showing up to church with our hair down, maybe even chopped off to prove our liberation." Wait, why was long or unbound hair a big deal? Isn't that just a hairstyle? You might be asking. Glad you asked, because in Corinth, unbound or shorn hair was the cultural equivalent of wearing a giant blinking sign that said, "I am publicly available and I reject all male authority." So Paul drops the theological hammer. He says the head of every man is Christ, the head of woman is man, and the head of Christ is God. He's basically saying this is not about fashion. This is about physics. God established a chain of authority in creation, and when you disrupt the visible order in public worship, you are broadcasting a lie about the nature of God. But wait, isn't Paul saying women are inferior? Isn't he just being a sexist? Hold your horses. Paul knew that accusation was coming, so he instantly shuts it down. He says, "Nevertheless, neither is man independent of woman, nor woman independent of man in the Lord." He's saying you are both equally vital, necessary, and interdependent. If Christ can submit to God, then submission is the highest act of honor, not oppression. So what's the application for us today when we don't wear veils? It's this: the way you conduct yourself in public reflects your theology. Stop exercising your liberty in a way that broadcasts a message of chaos or pride. Honor the God-given order in your home, in your church, and in your attitude. Your freedom is not for rebellion. It's for reflecting God's beautiful, harmonious order. Don't let your self-assertion become spiritual chaos. Be a visible witness to God's order.